Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about the best first search algorithm in the artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Now, if we see the best first search problem, if you see this video, you will be ready to solve any problem which will be related to best first search algorithm. Now, this best first search algorithm is the informed and heuristic. What is heuristic means? So this will set the priority. So this best first search will set the priority based on the heuristic value. Based on the heuristic value. That is, who is having the less value of the heuristic. Who will be having less heuristic value, they will be getting the more priority. Less heuristic value, more priority. So if you see here, the straight line distances from A to G or B to G, like that, G will be the goal state which we want to go. Now from A to G, B to G, like that, all the straight line distances are given. We can call the straight line distances as heuristic values also. Heuristic values also we can call them. They will only give in the exam. So this one also they will give, this one also they will give. Now let's see the formula to find this one. So it is none other than the Euclidean distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the Euclidean formula. Euclidean distance formula. You don't need to do this and all, they will only give. So just for reference I said from where these values have came. Now what we should do, I said earlierly that more priority for less heuristic value. So from A let's start from A. So from A if I start, let's write the path here. It is similar to finding the least cost path in data structure algorithm. What least cost path you will find now in data structure, like that only this will be the best first search. Now from A you can go to B, you can go to C, and you can go to D. You can go to B, you can go to C, and you can go to D. So you see the values of the heuristic value. So what is the heuristic value of B? So B is 32. So you write the value of heuristic value here, that is 32. Next C heuristic value is 25. Next D heuristic value is 35. I said who is having less heuristic value, more priority. So C will be selected. Now if you see the main graph, from C you can go to E, you can go to F. You can't go back to A because you have already came from A. So you can go to E and you can go to F. Now see this one, straight line distances are the heuristic value. So what is the heuristic value for E? So heuristic value is 19, and for F the heuristic value is, for F it is 10. So who is having the less heuristic value? F. So we will be selecting F. Now you see again, from F you can go to D, but D is already traversed, don't go there. Now from F you can go to G. So from F you can go to G. So what is the value of the heuristic value of G? So only one possible was there, no? So heuristic value is 0. So G was the goal state which we wanted to go, and we came here. So the path is from A I went to C, from C I went to F, from F I went to G. So from A, that is from source, we went to the goal state. So you can also represent it using the Q also. So you will represent it using the Q. From A we went to B, C, D, but you arrange in a way that you will be in the more priority. So we will be having more priority, less heuristic value. That is C will be having first, next B, next it is D. So you selected A, next you selected C. So if you selected C, you can go to E and F. So E and F. So in E and F, F is having the more priority. So you must write F first and then you must write E, because F is having the least number of heuristic value. Now you selected F. From C you went to F. From F you can go to G only. Only one possibility was there, you can go to G. If you want to represent it using Q, like this you represent. So small graph is represented and its path is represented. what we did here, already the heuristic value or straight line distance were given in the problem. We took the reference of this graph or the tree. What we did, we found out the least heuristic value from which we can go to the final or the goal state. So what we did, from A there was 3 possibility, from A to B, A to C and A to D. We selected from A to C because from C to G the heuristic value was 25. That was least among B, D and C. Now from C we went to, from C we could have gone to E and F, but when we compared E and F heuristic value, F was having the least number of heuristic value. When heuristic value is less, priority will be more. So we went to F. From F we could have gone back to D, but we can't go back because it was already traversed, and C was also already traversed. So the only possible way was to go to G. Only possible way was to go to G. So G was the goal state. So we stopped the process here. We started from the source A and we went to the goal G. Hope you understood the concept of, and we also represent it using the Q also. So who will be having the less heuristic value, they will enter the Q first. Hope you understood the concept of the best first search algorithm. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topic and motivate us so that we can make more videos. Thank you.